Hi guys, Joe from Prepper in the Woods, and I'm back to filming vids. So it's been raining every day, days and weeks and all the rest of it. It's just everything's soaked. I put up a tarp again. These tarps, really good. Get them from eBay. They're clear, so light comes through, so it doesn't kill all the grass. Also, you have that natural light coming through, so I do recommend that. This is my second one. The first one I got the grommets taken out. Mainly because we had so many storms. If you do put one of these up in your garden, I recommend elastic bungees all around, because then it gives it a bit of give and it won't pull the grommets out. Also, having a little bit of a slack is good too. When you see tarps on Instagram, those Instagram tight tarps, they're not great because they'll just rip and there's no give to it. So, right, so let me show you now. I showed this before. This is my Bushcraft belt. I just want to show you my fire kit that's in this Bushcraft belt. Mainly because I cleaned out my little fire pan over there, which is just an old wok. But all my wood's wet. My fire shield's wet and everything's wet. So I'm just gonna just show you all my fire stuff. Get a little fire going just to dry some stuff out in this area. Right, so I'm just gonna take it out from here. Right. That's my fire still I use. I forgot how to say it. Someone did put a comment about how to say it in my last video. I can't remember it, but I'm sure that'll get brought up again. Got a bit of sulfur matches, some rope, a little bit of chalk cloth, some birch bark, some jute, one of those bellows. I got some cordage, but it has these little tarp clips, which are really handy. They just hook onto your belt, your tarps, everything. Knife sharpener, Hudson Bay tin, a snap rubber band, and the rest of it is just a lighter, Leatherman Surge, and one of the Falfenhaven DC4 knife sharpeners. Yeah. Oh wait. I got some of those army matches. Right. So let's get all the non-fire stuff out of my fire pouch. Yeah, go to the bellow. And I'm not going to use the lighter. Right. So let's move this and we'll get some fires going. Did some light feathers over there to some dry wood I had to carve through. That's what I used to split. I'm not using my knife, but I am using this rusty old butcher's knife and a super soaked rotten mallet. So I need to fix these items when I get a chance. But I'm just gonna get some wood here to make a base, a dry base for a fire. And get tetanus at the same time. Alright, so I'm just going to show you some bits. That's natural tinder fungus. Maybe, yeah, there. So I got this from Beaver Bushcraft. They make excellent, very leathery. They make a really good tinder for this. So Amadou, I think it's called. Well, that's how you say it anyway. So I'm going to take a little bit of it off, just like that, because I don't want to waste it. And then I'll show you how to use the sulfur match as well. So these take a spark very easy. Right. Zoom in for you. So that's already done. I'm not gonna hold it because it's ridiculously hot. Right, so normally you use a different method. I normally put that in a jute twine or something like that, you know, use that kind of like chalk cloth, and then you just use it and you start your fires wherever you got, kind of thing, your little bundles here and there. Again, I'm just showing what's in my belt kit. And then you'd roll that over, you know, blah blah blah, that kind of stuff. So that's one way of doing it. So you could do ferro rod, you could do solar. What else? Ferro rod, solar. You could do a lot of stuff that you can hit it with, like a ferro rod kind of thing, and then put, like I said, put it in jute or whatever, and get things going. I just like that. A quick look of my Hudson Bay tin. That's your magnifying glass, but it's kind of wrong time of year for it. And then inside here you have lots of fluffy stuff. Kapuk, I think they call that. Some birch bark. Some more birch bark. Some more amadou. Some jute. I got a arrowhead here, but it's flint. And I got my steel. More amadou. I got some fire plugs in here. Some polymath products. Fire plugs, some fat wood, another scraper, some more flint. Let me just show you how my flint and steel works. Yeah, that's fine. Right, so and take that, place it in there. Again, it's not a how-to video, but I just need to start a fire anyway, so I figured I'd just show you how I do stuff anyway. Feel free to comment below if you see me making any mistakes. I'm sure you will. Oh, my eyes. Fuck off. Go away. Fucking everything's wet. So again, not a how-to video, just mainly just wanted to show you what I have in my fire kit pouch. I just do a mix of man-made stuff and some traditional bushcraft stuff, and then just keep it like that. And normally my ferro rod solves most of my problems anyway. So, but let me know what you think in the comment section below. Also, can you put some of the items that you keep in your bushcraft fire kit, because I'm always looking to add more stuff or maybe take away. Thanks guys for watching. If you can, please subscribe and like this video. Thanks guys, bye.